While we're in quarantine, we want to be the best that we can, and we want to be glowing up when we get out of here. You understand me? Okay, hi guys. So today I'm back with another video. So some people were asking me to get more in depth with my favorite waist trainer. So I'm going to give you guys a full spectrum of how this waist trainer really can make your stomach flat. Now I know some people say, oh, it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Yes it do, because if it didn't work, I don't think my stomach would be so flat. No, but I know for a fact that waist trainers definitely do work. So if you have a waist trainer or you're interested in getting one and you want to know how your stomach can stay flat, stay tuned. If you look at my last video with the waist trainers, I did include this one. This is one of my favorite. This is one of my favorite waist trainers, and this is the latex waist trainer. Now I did say that this is great for beginners. I personally like multiple waist trainers. I don't just use one. But when I was starting out my waist training journey, and what kept my stomach really, really flat was the latex one. And I didn't get to buy any other ones until probably about a year later. So this one right here, this is very, very, very thick. Now it's not really thick as far as like how it feels, but it's thick as far as like the quality. It's very strong. So I guess that's a better word. It's strong. It's a very strong waist trainer. It's very tough, and it will really, really, really hold your stomach in. So even if you do have a bigger belly and your stomach is not flat, it will definitely make your stomach flat right away. Like for example, you're going out, you want to wear a nice blouse or dress, or you know, just wear a work outfit, a work suit. Put this on and it will conceal them rolls, that back fat, and that belly. It will lock you it will lock you in, like, yeah, it's one of those. So I do advise to get a size down. I know I probably could have fit a large, but I got a medium just because my waist did get a little bit bigger because I wasn't waist training. I stopped and I started eating whatever I wanted. And so don't be like me if you're trying to stay in your flat belly, curvy girl, thick journey. Don't be like me. Don't just be falling off, okay? But yeah, so I got a size medium, and I know I can definitely wear a large. If I would have had a large, I probably can put it on the third hoop, like with no problem. But you don't want to do that. You want to get one that's a size smaller, so you can gradually see your progress. You want to see your progress. So a lot of people, they say it don't work. I think because they get a bigger size, a size too big, or they get their exact size. They measure their waist, and if their waist say that if their waist is a 32, they're gonna go to the size that says 32. No. What's up, guys? So don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, it's free. Okay, it's free. We're trying to grow this channel. So just subscribe. Okay. Get that waist trainer. Give me the waist trainer. I gotta get like you. I want to wear a waist trainer, and then after 2 days, they're like, they ain't wearing it no more. Like, why? Oh, it was just hurting me. I don't think it's really working. How you don't know if it's working if you only put it on for 2 days or even a week? Like, y'all gotta get better than that. Don't be like that. You have to be consistent. It might feel a little bit uncomfortable, but I promise you, as you keep wearing it, it will get better. And you can start out small. Wear it for like an hour, you know. Wear it for 4 hours. I think the minimum should be 4 hours to wear it. I would say just go 8 hours. And if you wanna, as you start getting better with it, up the antes, wear it 20 hours, you know. So, you know, at the end of the day, people will be saying things like, oh, nobody got time for that. That takes too long. I don't want to wear that long. I don't know how you wear this. That thing make me uncomfortable. I feel like I can't breathe. But then you be like, oh, I want to be like you. I want a flat stomach. Beauty is pain. Hello. Like, even if you get surgery, that's going to be painful too. Even if you go to the gym, that's going to be painful too. everything is gonna be painful. So why not do this way? Or you're just gonna stay how you are. You wanna do that? Because I ain't wanna do that. We don't wanna do that. It's 2020. Not as diverse as this one. This one, you can do a lot of stuff with it. You know what I'm saying? You can work out. You can wear it to cover your rolls and your belly and that fupa. It'll get your waist small. It'll give you back support too. I ain't gonna hold you. That thing, you'll be sitting up like this with it on. Like you'll be sitting up straight. You will definitely be sitting up straight. So yeah, this is definitely the go-to waist trainer. So this was just a more in-depth video of the waist trainer. I know you guys want to see my body more, just so you guys can see how I actually look. So even though I'm 210 pounds, I'll say I don't look too bad if I say myself. And some of y'all be hating, but I ain't even paying attention to y'all. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. It's free. Like, what do you have to lose? It's free. And again, if I help you, you can help me by just sitting there and you click a little button. Boop, boop. Like, comment, subscribe. You don't even have to comment. Just like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Even share my video. You know what I'm saying? Share my video. You guys was asking me to come back, and I'm coming back, and I'm doing these videos back to back. So you guys can get used to me, to the new people, and to the old people. You guys are going to be annoyed with me because I'm going to be posting a lot, okay? Hope you guys be well, be safe. Love you guys. Bye.